Hey, Kelly Staggs here with American Irrigator, trying to make you a better irrigator. Today I'm going to show you an example of why it's very important to always put your wire down in the ditch first, then your pipes on top of it. And today is a good example of why you should do that. Let me show you something. So what we've got here, and it's going to be kind of hard. I'll get down in there so you can kind of see. But we've already run our main line on this job, and we're coming back and putting some heads in and stuff, and lateral lines. We've got our ditch, and we had to cross our main line, which has got a wire, and actually it's got a 3/4 pipe in there too for a tree that goes over here, tree bubbler. But we had to cross it, and we knew it was there. We marked it and everything, but we didn't dig it up. We should have dug it up and really located it first. We wouldn't have had a problem. But I'm going to get down in here and show you why it's important to run your wire underneath your pipe. So let me try to get down here, and all I did was uncover. Let's see if I can block the sun. I didn't pull this wire up or anything. All I did was uncover it. And you can see that we broke it, and we also broke the 3/4 pipe. But the wire was run on top of that pipe. It was run after the pipes. But this is why it's important. So it's a good reminder for me, but it's a reminder I want to share with you guys is run your wire first. Because had we run our wire first, we might have hit this pipe still, but we wouldn't have hit the wire. And as you can see, this is a 2-wire system that we're doing here. So this could potentially be a problem on this system. So that's why it's always important and a good idea, good tip, run your wire first, then your pipes that go on top of it. That way your wire is on the bottom of the ditch. Hope this helps you guys. Good luck out there.